everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Kroger updated deals for you. So if you have not seen my must-do deals video, I put that out yesterday on the first day of this brand new mega sale on January 26th. Today, as I'm putting out this, it is January 27th, so a lot of these deals are still going to be good for several more days, if not the full 2 weeks. But they could go all the way through February 8th. But there were so many deals yesterday, I could not catch them all in one video. So I've got some updated deals for you. We know about some reloaded Kroger cashback deals. We've just got so many new deals, plus money makers and freebies. Oh my goodness, guys, it's going to be amazing. So definitely go check out that other video I put out yesterday, because I'm not rehashing any of the deals except to maybe give you an update today. But other than that, everything in the other video is going to be completely fresh from this. So let's get going, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And let's check this out. All right, guys, let's talk about a great deal here. The Stonefire Nan Dippers. These are regularly priced $3.99. They're on mega sale for $2.99. Now, pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 3 times. And Kroger Cashback also has a rebate for $1 back on one, limit of 3 times. Making the final cost for these just 99 cents. What a great time to get this as the Super Bowl is getting ready to come up. I don't know about you, but I'm going to be watching the Bengals on Sunday. I live in northern Kentucky, but like on the Kentucky side of Cincinnati, and it is definitely Bengals Nation here. So a big shout out and thank you to Teresa Colbert, who left me the comment. Now she's actually going to show up a little bit later for another deal, but she's the one that let me know about the Stonefire Nan Dippers and the great deal that we have here. So thank you, Teresa. Next, we have the Kraft Singles 16 count, regularly priced $4.19, on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.49. Now, I put this in my video yesterday, so this is going to be an update on that digital coupon I told you about. So, digital coupon, I'll explain on the next slide if you want to use it. If you are going in store, this is the deal you're going to do. So if you're getting out of your car, you're physically going in the store, you grab these, you're going to pay out of pocket $2.49, then submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times, as well as a reloaded Kroger cashback today, 50 cents back on one, making the final cost for these $1.49, which is a really great deal. So thank you to Summer Cook, who let me know that her Kraft Singles did reload today on Thursday. If you're not familiar with Kroger Cashback, I do have a tutorial for it. It's in the description box below. Definitely go check that video out. But Kroger Cashback tends to reload on Thursdays, which is a little bit annoying since new sales start on Wednesday, but I guess it gives you a chance to use whatever Kroger Cashbacks are available before they disappear and then possibly reload. So anyway, they did reload today on Thursday, the 27th. All right, so let's say you want to use this digital coupon. So I did bring up the digital coupon. I did not read close enough. So I made sure to read it and say that you can redeem it up to 3 times across multiple trips. But I did not read the next sentence. Offer valid only on pickup and delivery orders. So not valid on in-store purchases, which is a bummer. However, if you are one of the many people that do pickup or delivery, this is right up your alley. So let's talk about the possible deal that you could get. So Kraft Single 16 count, regularly priced $4.19, on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.49. If you are doing pickup or delivery, you can use that 2 off 2 digital coupon. Pay $1.49 each. Submit to Kroger Cashback for 50 cents back on one, and the final cost will be 99 cents each, which is a great deal. The reason why I didn't include the Ibotta is because you have to have a receipt to submit it, and in general, pickup and delivery does not give you a receipt. If you know a trick around this, let me know in the comments, because if you can figure out how to submit it to Ibotta without having a receipt, you're going to grab these for 49 cents, which would be really amazing. So unfortunately, we don't get receipts anymore. Thank you to COVID and all that great stuff. All right, we have an updated deal on the Crystal Light on the Go 10 count. These are regularly priced $2.79, on sale for $2.49, mega sale for $1.49. Now, do pay that out of pocket. Now, I did tell you about this in the Must Do Deals video yesterday that you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times. However, we had a Kroger cashback reload today so that you can get 10 cents back on one up to 5 times. Final costs for these are going to be 89 cents, which is a decent price. I kind of want to sit on this until next Wednesday and see if for some reason the price changes and it goes down another 50 cents, because then it would be really, really awesome. So I'm going to sit on this and see, because if you don't know me very well, you know I drink a lot of Crystal Light, and I have a ton of these from when these were like 49 cents or 39 cents. I've gotten them before. So I'm going to sit on it one more week and see if I can put this all together next week, next Wednesday. Hopefully the price drops. If not, it's still going to be 89 cents next week. It'll still be a good deal. All right, guys, we have the Minute Ready to Serve rice, regularly priced $2.19. It's on sale for $1.99, mega sale for 99 cents, and we have a $1 off 2 digital coupon. Final costs for these are just 49 cents, which is a really, really great price. All right, let's talk about no coupons needed deals, just awesome mega sale deals that are happening. The New York Bakery Texas Toast Croutons, regularly priced $1.69. They're on mega sale, so it's going to drop it down to 69 cents. No coupons needed. You can just take these home for 69 cents. This is a great filler item. So if you are like me, I tend to go for very small trips. I go to Kroger almost every day, and I get like little tiny trips worth, and it's really hard sometimes, even with 5 items, to try to find 5 items I need every single time. So something like this is a great little filler item for me. This is also a great filler item, and something I'm probably going to use a little bit more than the croutons because I don't eat croutons. I try to stay low carb keto, and croutons are definitely not low carb. But Kraft BBQ Sauce, regularly priced $1.59, on sale for $1.49, mega sale price of 49 cents, no coupons needed. Final cost just 49 cents each. Really great deal here. Okay, guys, so that's the updated deals for the mega sale items. However, I have some updated deals for just Kroger deals in general, and I'm excited about what is happening at Kroger. Oh my goodness. First one, ridiculously easy freebie. So Simple Truth Berry Blend Trail Mix, regularly priced $3.29. It's on sale for some reason for $1 this week, and there are $1 off 1 5-time digital coupon. This is the natural and organic 5-time digital coupon. Okay, so you can grab up to 5 of these for free. Now, I have not gone to the store to try this myself. I just noticed it today, and I'm hoping to get up there. Hopefully there's some left, and not everybody in my area has discovered this easy freebie. But yeah, load that digital coupon, grab those, and get them for completely free. Super excited. All right, Godiva signature bars are regularly priced $2.99. Pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times. And Kroger Cashback also has a 75 cent back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is $1.49 each. We have Valentine's Day coming up. Do you need to grab some of this for your Valentine? Okay. Now, big shout out to Jody on one of my other videos. She wrote about the Godiva signature bars being $2.99 at her store. She has a 75 cent Ibotta, but she has a $1.49 each back on Kroger Cashback. Now, mine was only 75 cents. So check your Kroger Cashback and see if yours is different. If yours is a $1.49, you're going to get this for even cheaper, and it's going to be a much better deal than what I have. So let me know in the comments if you have the other Kroger Cashback and where you're located, because I'm not sure if it's based on location or what, or maybe we just all got something different. But either way, check your Kroger Cashback and let me know in the comments. All right, we have the Screamin' Sicilian pizza. This deal is hot, guys. So this pizza is normally priced $9.99, basically priced $10. Right now it's 2 for $10 or $5 each. Pay that out of pocket. But on top of the really great 50% off price, you have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back on one, a limit of 5 times. You also have Kroger Cashback for 75 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times. So you can grab up to 5 of these for $3.25. cents. And this pizza is good. Let me tell you, I really enjoy this pizza. Yeah, it doesn't fit into the low carb lifestyle, but I definitely love it. Again, I want to say a big shout out to Lori R. She's the one that let me know about the Screamin' Sicilian pizza deal that we have. So thank you, Lori, for leaving a comment in one of my last videos. All right, we also have the Holy Guacamole, regularly priced $3.49. It is on sale this week for $2.50. Out of pocket, you would pay that $2.50. Then you could submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times, as well as Kroger cashback for $1 back on one. I think the Kroger cashback is new because I didn't see it yesterday. So I think it's new today. So final cost for this is 50 cents each. This is an awesome deal. So go get your free Stonefire, or not free, your 99-cent Stonefire Nans, and then also grab your Holy Guacamole for 50 cents, and you have an amazing deal. And offer to bring that to the Super Bowl party, right? So Teresa, again, a big thank you to her. She's the one that brought up the Holy Guacamole with the Stonefire Nan. And like I said, with football going on, this would be a great time to go ahead and stock up on this stuff. I think you can freeze guacamole. Can't you freeze it? I'm pretty sure you can. And, you could get all 5 of them for 50 cents each and just pull them out as needed. That'd be awesome too. All right, next deal here is the Snickers candy bar, a 1.86 ounce, so it's like the single bar there. It's regularly priced $1.19, but it's on sale for 88 cents this week. Pay that out of pocket, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on one, as well as Kroger cashback for 25 cents back on one. Both a limit of 5 times, and your final cost is 38 cents each. Really great deal here. All right, so I wanted to let you know about the Phage Total Split Cup Yogurt. It was in my must-do deals video, but we knew the Kroger cashback was expiring on the 26th. However, it did reload this morning. So if you've already done this deal, you can go do it again as long as your Ibotta reloads. So if you did it yesterday, you may want to wait a day or so for Ibotta to reload, but you can go grab these again for 25 cents. So Phage Total Split Cup Yogurts, regularly priced $1.25, on sale for $1. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 2 times. And submit to Kroger cashback for 25 cents back on one. Limit of 2 times. It did reload. Final cost, 25 cents. Okay, guys, that's my quick catch up on all of the deals I either missed yesterday or are new today or updated today. So thank you so much for watching. If you got this far, but please make sure you give me a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share this with a friend. Follow me on social media. I have them all linked in the description box below. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Hoo day!